15 Excellent Health Benefits of Dried Mangoes, Part 1 of 3. Who doesn't like mangoes? The yellow, pulpy fruit rich in sweet and sour juice, is one of the most beloved fruits in the world. Since mangoes are a tropical fruit, they contain more calories than fruits found primarily in non-tropical regions. A good example is the apple, which is a non-tropical fruit, therefore has fewer calories than a mango. 1. Reduce the signs of aging. By keeping the skin constantly nourished, dried mangoes can help and reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines, on the skin. 2. Healing acne. Acne is one of the most obvious problems in today's fast-paced environment. Although acne can occur at any age, there is a particularly painful outbreak of pimples and blackheads in adolescence due to hormonal changes in the body. The peel of dried mangoes is an excellent remedy for curing and preventing fresh breakouts, due to the high amounts of antioxidants, than just eaten on its own. 3. Aids digestion. Due to their high content of dietary fiber, dried mangoes aid in the digestion process. Additionally, they also have a number of nutrients that activate various digestive enzymes to improve the efficiency of the food digestion process. 4. Strengthening bones. Dried mangoes are a great source of calcium, which is a vital nutrient for maintaining and strengthening healthy bones. Elderly people may benefit from eating these, as their bones tend to be more brittle. 5. Pregnancy. While pregnant, a nice way of taking in the nutrients and vitamins required is to eat dried fruit, in particular mango. It is very rich in vitamin A, as well as iron, potassium and folic acid. A good way of taking the dried mango is to add it to cereals, or just snacking on them. Hope you have enjoyed this first part, parts 2 and 3 coming soon. Please subscribe and like my videos.